You can place your study room at northeast, east or west direction. You should always face towards east or north while studying to gain maximum amount of positive energies from that directions. There should be no beam running over your head while studying because it creates disturbances and has a negative impact. The study room should always be well lit. It should create a sense of brightness and elevate the mood. The book rack or the bookshelf should be always on south and west walls of the room to create the impact of heaviness of the particular direction. We should avoid having a bookshelf above the study table. The shape of study table should be square or rectangle. And if it is a rectangle, it should be in a proportion of 1:2 always. We should avoid having a toilet in study room because the negative forces should not be spread. Only bathrooms are fine. The windows of study room should be on eastern side and west side, but west side windows should be smaller in size. Use of light or neutral color scheme helps in better learning. So, study room should always be painted in very light and neutral colors. Let's have a quick look at residential Vastu for bathrooms. Only bathroom in eastern zone is okay. The toilets can be planned in west or northwest side of your house. Showers, taps and mirrors can be planned on north wall of the bathroom. Attached toilet with WC can be placed on west and northwest walls. If you have a geyser, which represents the fire element, is to be placed on southeast corner or southeast wall. Bathtub can be placed on the west zone of the bathroom. Wash basin, which is the outlet for pure water, can be placed on northeast directions. Washing machine can be placed in southeast or northwest. We should opt for bright and soothing colors for bathroom. We should avoid dark colors or dark colored tiles. If you have to place mirrors, it should be on east or north wall of the bathrooms. The slope of the bathroom floor should always towards north and east. Windows and ventilators of bathrooms should be preferably on east or north direction. Something which we don't place in bathroom, but the overhead tank should be on southwest region of your house. So you make sure you follow all these rules or guidelines while you plan your bathroom according to Vastu. Now let's have a look at residential Vastu for doors and windows. Main door should always be larger than the other doors in the house. We should avoid using any old doors in a new home or new place because it is believed it brings all the negative impact with it from the old place. The size of main door should be proportionate to the building or the house. Avoid fixation of door directly on a column. You should at least make a 6 inches of wall to place the door. Wood is the most preferred material to make the door. The entrance of the door should always be clutter free so it doesn't bring all the negative impact from outside to the home. Prefer to have threshold at the door as it completes the square and the rectangle at the door frame and brings all the positive energies. Placement of the door should be on east, northeast, north and least preferred on the west direction. Windows similarly can be on east, north and northeast. If possible, ventilators for the room can be on east and north direction. There should be no more than 2 doors in a straight line. More than 2 doors in a straight line has a certain kind of negative impact. Number of doors and windows should always be in an even number like 4, 8, 12, etc. And it should be a non-zero ending number. So make sure you follow all these rules or guidelines while placing your doors and windows to make